Hello everyone and welcome to Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. It's Montego Bay Christian Academy from St. James going up against Boundbrook Primary from Portland. I'm your host, Joni Wedderburn, and the action begins right now. Earlier we had the toss and Boundbrook Primary won and decided to go first. So we begin with Boundbrook Primary. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Teams will have 10 seconds to answer, and each correct answer is worth 1 point. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have 4 minutes on the clock. We begin with Bible knowledge. Boundbrook. After Jesus fed a multitude of 5,000, how many baskets of fragments were left over?
13.
Incorrect. It's 12. I'm going to ask you to speak up, please. Montego Bay Christian Academy. What items did Jesus bless and multiply to feed a multitude of 5,000 people?
5 loaves and 2 fish.
Correct. Science, Boundbrook. In what unit is air pressure measured?
Barometer.
Incorrect, it's millibars or pascals. Montego Bay, what is a psychrometer used to measure?
Wind speed.
Incorrect, it's humidity. Jamaican affairs, Boundbrook. The BITU is the abbreviation for which organization in Jamaica's labor movement? Montego Bay, would you like to try?
The Broadcasting Industry Transit Unity.
Incorrect, it's the Bustamante Industrial Trade Union. Staying with Montego Bay, the NWU is the abbreviation for which organization in Jamaica's labor movement?
National Water Unit.
Incorrect, it's the National Workers Union. English language, Boundbrook. What part of speech is the word canteen as used in this sentence? The students ate a lovely lunch in the school canteen.
Noun.
That is correct. Montego Bay, what part of speech is the word lived as used in this sentence? The men lived across the street.
Verb.
That is correct. Television, Boundbrook. The Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Leonardo, wears which color bandana?
Blue.
That's right. Montego Bay, the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle, Donatello, wears which color bandana?
Purple.
That's correct. General knowledge, Boundbrook. Of which South American country is La Paz the capital?
Canada.
The bell came. Montego Bay Christian Academy. Would you like to try?
Peru.
Incorrect, it's Bolivia. Staying with Montego Bay, of which European country is Lisbon the capital?
Greece.
Incorrect, it's Portugal. Social studies, Boundbrook. What is the minimum voting age for national elections in Jamaica?
18.
That is correct. Montego Bay, what is the maximum time allowed between general elections in Jamaica?
4 years.
Incorrect, it's 5 years. Mathematics, Boundbrook. What is the value of x if 2x minus 1 equals to 29?
32.
Incorrect, it's 15. Montego Bay, what is the value of x if 3x minus 3 equals to 33?
12.
That is correct. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Montego Bay Christian Academy on 4 and Boundbrook Primary on 3. Stay with us. TVJ's Quest for Quiz returns after these messages.